Okay, so Cookie's come back. Come on. Here. Cookie. Here we go. Oh. No. There's a van parked out there. Let's say it's an awful night. You can see the rain and getting soaked. Cookie. Do you want some more of this chicken? Cookie. Next time I come out, I'm going to put my coat on, my raincoat. Cookie. Come on. Quick. Come on then, my man. I might put that down because of the van parked out there. Come on, my babes. Here. I'll take a couple of pieces this time. Are you going to run off with just the one again? You want 3? There we go. Oh, just one again. Okay. Okay, so Cookie's taking just one at the just taking one at a time for the moment. Right, that's it. I'll be back.